Proper reference.
Any mention? Item number 1.
Lordship, Learned Standing Counsel Mr. A.C. Kayal is indisposed today, has some mild fracture in his hand. Kindly list this matter after 2 weeks.
Mild fracture?
Yes.
And it's just here. Where's Mr. Pandey?
He's not here yet.
We suppose so far substantial questions of law. Anyway, as it is reported that the standing counsel for the appellant is indisposed, just a matter of 2 weeks.
Similar prayer for item number 2.
2 also?
Yes.
Very good, yes.
Oblige your lordship.
Interim orders initial continue.
Any mention?
Yes. Yes.
Motion I wish to mention item number 15. With the consent of the opposite party, I seek adjournment as far as learned senior counsel is unable to execute this matter today due to some personal difficulty. I request the matter be decided after 4 weeks.
Sabin Rahba. Whose other side? Whose other side? Yes.
Petitioner.
2 weeks, yes. Yes.
2 weeks.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 24, Your Lordship. I have informed to the both the parties, private respondent as well as also JHDC also. They are here.
Lordship, I have no objection, Lordship.
No matter.
Lordship.
Why joining in? 2 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Not less, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 20, Your Lordship. I pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
No objection.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Lordship, I beg to mention item 21. I pray for 2 weeks' time, Lordship.
No objection, my lord.
Obliged, Lordship.
It please your lordship. Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 26. If your lordship can have this matter after 2 weeks.
26, which one?
It's
What's the matter about?
Yes,
The
Bank.
yes, ma'am.
yes, your lordship.
So, no urgency. Yes, no objection. What do you have objection?
Only after 3 weeks.
Okay, 3 weeks. Yes.
Much obliged.
May it please lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16, lordship.
The whole list is one.
I've informed the other parties also, lordship.
Appeal for respondent number 5, lordship.
So
This matter is this.
this matter can come out after 2 weeks, lordship. Senior counsel is out of station as of today, lordship.
You have an objection?
No objection.
Yes.
Obliged, lordship.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 25. Lordship, I pray for 2 weeks' time.
No objection, my lordship.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship,
whole
I beg
is
to mention item number 17, Your Lordship. I inform the other opposite counsel, Your Lordship. Kindly have this matter after 2 weeks.
Jomurul Islam.
Yes, Your Lordship.
17 and 18 are connected, Your Lordship.
What's the matter about?
Your
School teacher.
This
Rajapala school.
misappropriation of school management.
You have objection?
No, no, Your Lordship.
The matter is finished. Finished, obvious. Okay. After 2 weeks.
Hello,
Hello,
Your
Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 22, Your Lordship.
The whole list is gone. There's no need to be careless anymore. Yes.
Lordship, I'm praying for a week's time, Your Lordship, in this matter, Your Lordship. We have no objection, Lordship.
Naturally, no objection. Yes.
Hello, obliged, Lordship.
All right.
May I please, Your Lordship, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 19, Your Lordship. Kindly, this matter may be listed after 2 weeks, Your Lordship. No objection, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, similar prayer for item number 23 also, Your Lordship.
The as well, the whole list, yes. The whole list is
No
gone.
objection, Your Lordship. Hello, Your Lordship.
Number. It's what's asking?
23, Your Lordship.
14, no one's mentioning. Yes.
Supplementary list item number 1.
May it please your lordship.
What is this?
This relates to that student who was denied admission at NIA because he had reported late for the admissions. Lordships will recall, Lordships had passed an order in the previous writ petition directing me to file a representation with the institute, which the institute was to forward to the National Commission of Homeopathy, who in turn were to examine it and consider the possibilities of creation
Was
of a
that delay for
supernumerary
5
post.
minutes something?
Yes, my lord.
What
So
happened?
I filed a representation accordingly. This was disposed of by a letter. Plus, will kindly have page 80.
80.
So my representation was filed on the 22nd of December, and this was disposed of on 8th January 2026. So the Homeopathic Education Board and the Commission have jointly considered my representation, and this is what they've written, my lords. With reference to the subject cited above, this is to inform you that the Homeopathy Education Board, National Commission for Homeopathy, has examined the matter with regard to the creation of a supernumerary seat in favor of the petitioner for granting admission to PG course for the academic year 25-26 in light of admission guidelines issued by so-and-so. As the admission process for the academic year 25-26 is already over on 22/12/2025, therefore the above representation submitted by the petitioner cannot be considered at this stage. You are requested to intimate the same to the concerned student. Now, following this, about 5 days later, can you see the next page, at page 81? This is dated 13th of January 2026. There's a fresh letter with reference to the subject cited above and referred letter. This is to convey that the Ministry of Ayush Government of India has approved to extend the cutoff date, last date for admission in homeopathy undergraduate and postgraduate course for the academic year 25-26. The earlier cutoff date for so-and-so admissions was 20th December and 22nd December 2025 respectively.
So you mean to
Accordingly,
say that,
this has been extended
Yes.
to 23rd January 2026. So perhaps at least it was within their knowledge, or at least within their contemplation, that there is a possibility of extension of this date. Now, even thereafter, my lord, I issued 2 emails asking them to reconsider that since this has already been extended, please reconsider my representation. That has not been done. I would therefore pray let notice be issued for the time being.
Yes, Dr. Mozika, but are these two entities the same? Next year, 81.
It is a National Commission
But
for
are they
Education.
aware of the extension? Is it because this refers to a Ministry of Ayush Government of India letter 13/1
Yes.
2026, correct? And the rejections 8th of
8th of January, and this came on 13th of January.
5 days later.
Yes, okay.
But even this period is over now.
No, maybe.
Even then, but anything to say?
I'll have it someone file after.
You are appearing for?
For 1629. Number 1 is the Union of India through Ayush, and 629 is the institute. So as notice would have to go to the commission and the board 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 is also represented, that's Nehu, they are formal party, my lord. 10 I'm not pressing because this is that candidate who was appointed.
So now notice has to go to 2, 3.
Well, it's 2,
5.
2,
2, 3, 4, and
2, 3, 4, and 5. No, 5 is represented, 2, 3, and 4.
2, 3, 4.
10 Manus notice is not called for at the moment.
Send a council of petitioner. Issue notice, Dr. N. Mozika, that JGI with so and so is present on behalf of the respondents.
1 and 629.
1, 6, 1 and 629. Such no further notice required. This respondents stop notice to issue to respondents 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Because 5 is represented.
2, 3, and 4.
2, 3, and 4.
5 is by whom? For sure. Dr. Mozika for 1 and 629 and MS Ibla, Vice Mr. SN, is present on behalf of respondent number 5. Numbers issue to 2, 3, and 4 within 2 days. Stop. The council of the petitioner submitted that in this second round of litigation, submitted that the present grievance with petitioner who had earlier approached his court by the WBC number.
That's WBC 649 of 25.
649 2025 is with regard to the prayer for creation of a supernumerary seat. Stop. It is submitted by the council that as per the orders of this court, a representation had been preferred for creation of such a seat, which however stood rejected by letter dated 8/1/2026 bracket section 18 petition. He however submits that on the ground that the admissions, the admission process for the academic year 2025-26 was already over on 22/12/2025 stop. he however submits that by a subsequent letter dated 13/01/2026, has come to the knowledge of the petitioner that the cutoff date had since been extended to 23 January 2026. In these circumstances, he prays for proper orders. And in these circumstances, he submits that the petitioner has been wrongfully denied of a seat of consideration for creation of supernumerary seat in his favor. Dr. Nmozi next paragraph, LJCI submits that please wait out how much time?
3 weeks, right?
2 weeks too long. 2 weeks time to obtain message.
Yeah, the notice will go to others also. Right?
Yes.
I'll send it within 2 days.
Notices to go to others also.
So within 2 weeks, yeah. Upon list the matter after 2 weeks or so.
Wait for the letter.
Two.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I appear this matter may come at bottom of the board, Your Lordship.
Disposal of you're appearing here.
No, Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. D. Thaba, Your Lordship.
Where's Mr. D. Thaba?
Lordship is having some difficulty, Your Lordship, so I appear the matter may come
What
up
kind
at
of
bottom.
difficulty?
Lordship, not that I'm aware. It's bottom of the board, Your Lordship.
No, started from him.
Oh, there's nothing in the matter now. We can close it.
Lordship, can you let the matter come to the bottom of the board? Mr. Thaba.
They will be discussed whether they've reapplied or not. That's the only thing.
Let them come.
Well,
Daily list item number 1.
My Lord.
Who's entering appearance on behalf of Emotional Rama?
Number 10.
Have you filed your power? We'll list it because the thing is that first we have to take care of the division bench order. After that part is over, then we will handle the main matter. When's the yatra fix again schedule?
My Lord, it will be as always around August, July, August.
Yes, sometime.
When can you have you received copies of the petition? Will you file reply, or you don't need to file reply? Yes, Mr.
Excuse me, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, regarding this police picket which had been raised by the petitioners on the last date, Your Lordship, I have been received instructions that there is a head constable and a constable posted there permanently and mobile patrolling goes on at night, Your Lordship.
Yes, take down first. Mr. Khalindo has entered appearance today on behalf of Squad number 10, the CM of Mawsandam. Such notice is complete. He prays for allowed 2 weeks time to study to obtain instructions and to file affidavit if necessary. So, next para MSD Yangi, London EAG is also apprised the court that there is adequate security presence in the site at the site, and mobile patrolling is also being undertaken regularly. According to this matter, after 2 weeks is
2.
what happened to?
Well, the matter is still pending before the Supreme Court.
Yes, as reported, the matter is still pending for Noble Supreme Court just after
6 weeks.
6 week, Your Lordship. Apply.
To await any outcome.
3.
3, 4.
What's the matter about? This
May it please Your Lordship. Lordship, in item number 3 and 4, Your Lordship, I have filed a miscase, Your Lordship, for striking off my
who's
name
for
from
affidavit 1, 2, 3 and 9 to 12? Who's for 1, 2 and 3?
affidavit of 1, 2, 3, 9 to 12.
Not been filed.
So what 12 is concerned, Your Lordship, I have
What about 1, 2, 3? When will you be filing? In the course of the day? What miscase is that?
Well, they file an application for seeking striking off of respondent number 12, my lords.
Well, that's a committee on public undertaking.
My lordship, yes.
Why should you strike them off?
Lordship, first, your lordship, no relief claim against me, your lordship. And
if any action has happened because of your directions, then it will be necessary party.
lordship, because under the rules, your lordship, if, the rule of procedure and conduct of business in the legislative assembly, your
You're not a
lordship.
juristic personality.
It's not that, your lordship, because in my humble and respectful submission, your lordship, this will come within the purview of Article 212, your lordship. So as such, I'm immune from, because under the rule, your lordship, certain function has been assigned to me, your lordship.
What was the action attributed to you?
If lordship kindly have the rules.
Well, it's, the impugned action, my lords, is passed on the basis of some directions which have been issued by the respondent number 12.
Yes.
212 in my respectful submission, my lords, will not cover this. My lords, may I kindly have a look at
lordship, if lordship kindly have rule 242A, your lordship.
Yes.
These are the
242A.
lordship, yes. Because, your lordship, this committee, your lordship, has been constituted by the honorable speaker, your lordship. Please take. Thank you. As per rule 193, your lordship, which I have quoted at page 9, paragraph 3, your lordship. And by virtue, your lordship, of rule 242A, your lordship.
Where does it say?
Lordship, kindly see, your lordship, 242A, your lordship. There shall be a committee on public undertakings for the examination of the working of the public undertaking or such other undertaking as may be referred to by the speaker from time to time.
Yeah.
The function of the committee shall be to lordship, we are concerned with B, to examine the report, if any, the controller and auditor general on the public undertaking. Lordship, specifically, your lordship, this task to examine the report of the CAG, your lordship, has been undertaken by the committee, your lordship. This is the job, your lordship, assigned to me, your lordship, by the assembly, your lordship.
Where's the recommendation given by them? Let us see.
Lordship.
Where's the recommendation given by them?
My lords, would find it in my reply, my lords.
1 second.
My reply, my lords, is last page.
Which one?
My lords. This is dated the 4th of October 2024.
Yes.
Well, it's therefore 242B will not come into play.
Yes, you give the recommendation.
Millets.
Examination of reports is one thing.
242B Millets only says examine. It does not say, and it does not say Millets to pass further directions or recommendations.
Where's the recommendation given? You have in your record.
Where's the recommendation?
Of the public
Is it?
It's not part of that regarding the discontinuance of the pension benefits. Is that writ petition?
It's not there in the writ petition.
It has not been.
We are not privy to that, my lords.
Lordship, yes.
Then I see the nature of the order, whether it's like it executive order.
Lordship, yeah.
Let me be brought on record by way of an affidavit, my lords. We'll file a reply to that also.
Yes,
You asked now.
Mr. Andy Shulai, Miss Case 197. Little EAG on the query of the court praised that he was allowed to produce the recommendation of the
Committee on Public Undertaking,
committee
Your Lordship.
on
Public Undertakings.
public undertakings,
Lordship, yes.
Dated.
by which it has which recommended the discontinuance of
Well, it's encashment of commuted
Certain
leave.
benefits.
yes, which recommended the
Discontinuation of encashment of commuted leave, my lords.
yes encashment of discontinuance of encashment of commuted leave by the by the MIDC by the Meghalaya
Industrial Development, MIDC.
Yes. This after 2 weeks is
Highly obliged.
3, 4, Your Lordship.
Item 4 is
next
connected
item
with-
also same, Your Lordship. Highly obliged.
Let us see what kind of we examine the nature of the order.
Yes.
Lord.
Item number 5.
Yeah. Your Lordship, we've filed our affidavit in opposition.
Lordship, same here.
You already filed.
Lordship, I'm praying for time to file a rejoinder affidavit.
Yes, MS. They now read 1 to 5 and P. Charge for 6. Submit the affidavit since been filed. Stop. You are appearing here,
Yes, Your Lordship. For the order.
not Mr. Nath.
But Mr. Nath.
Just stop. MS Bison Praise is around 2 weeks time to file rejoinder.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
6.
My lord, we are supposed to file rejoinder, my lord, but unfortunately the petitioner is out of station, that's why we could not yet file, my lord. I pray that 2 weeks time may be allowed, my lord.
Final opportunity is only granted to file rejoinder.
My lord,
So it's closed.
my lord, it's ready, my lord, we're just waiting for the petitioner to sign.
Is it for hearing when?
My lord, may kindly allow this, my lord, it's very necessary. Yes.
We'll allow you file before we'll fix. You are Mr.
T. Marnar.
Marngar. The T. Marngar today has read a prayer for filing a rejoinder. Stop. It is noted that in the order dated 2/12/2025, final opportunity of 3 weeks had been granted. Stop. Next, accordingly, list the matter for hearing after 3 weeks. In interest of justice, the petition is permitted to file the rejoinder meanwhile. You file it. Otherwise,
Highly obliged, my lord. Highly.
7.
Please, Your Lordship, I pray for 2 week times to file the rejoinder.
3 weeks time given earlier.
2 weeks. 2 weeks
3
time.
weeks was given earlier.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What's the matter about?
Lordship, this matter is about inaction.
Requires
Stepping
rejoinder.
up of pay scale.
What the 2 weeks time has played allowed. File it within 2 weeks.
8.
Wait, please, Lordship. My affidavit is ready. Maybe just given about a week's time.
Rejoinder?
Yes, my lord. Rejoinder affidavit. To the state's affidavit.
Mr. S sends submits the rejoinder to the affidavit filed by response 1 to 3 will be filed within 1 week.
A week's time, my lord.
Yes. This
Obliged.
2 weeks.
9.
Where's the affidavit filed?
For Your Lordship, is for the petitioners to file their rejoinder.
You filed, no, you won't file rejoinder.
Lordship, we haven't received.
You haven't received.
No, Lordship.
It's only been filed. Office notes indicates that they filed. Yes, Mr. H. Karwanlang submits the affidavit since been filed. But she allowed 2 weeks to file rejoinder if necessary.
Yes, Your Lordship.
10.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
My lord, we just received the copy of the affidavit yesterday. My lord, we'll just go through in case there's nothing, my lord, we can The matter can be disposed.
Where's the affidavit? You're appearing for?
Respondent number 5 and 6.
Who are they?
Village, the headman,
Village
and the Dorbar, the village Dorbar station.
Krishnang of? Where's the affidavit? Close it then.
My lord, let me go through the affidavit. My
When
lord.
did you receive the affidavit?
Just yesterday evening, my lord. I could not go.
24 hours to.
It was received in my chamber.
Your name?
S. Nobri. S. Nobri.
You're appearing first time. You're appearing today itself. Or who appeared around for 5 and 6?
6.
Who appeared around?
My colleague, sir.
Karmoshun.
Yes.
Yes, MS S. Nongri.
S. Nobri.
Council round 5 and 6 submits that the water connection has already been restored to the premises of the petitioner. Top next para. However, Mr. N. Sinkon for the picture, please wait up to obtain instructions. This after 1 week.
Public.
11.
Yes, been settled.
No, not. The age, respondent number 4 are yet to file their affidavit.
When? You said there's no need for affidavit. You already
Yes,
settled.
for respondent number 6, we've already settled.
With the petitioner.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And what about state? Not necessary.
Not necessary.
Yes, MS EB Pasa for praise and it's allowed 1 week for the time to file affidavit stuff. Yes. Just accordingly also.
12.
Lordship, I need some more time to file the affidavit, Lordship, here.
How many times you breathed?
My Lord, here I have received the
My Lord,
instruction.
this matter is a pension matter, my Lord.
I have
File
received-
when? Yes.
My Lord, what I have received the instruction. The instruction is not complete, Lordship. So I have to write a letter to the respondent number 3, Lordship.
You don't communicate by mail?
No, Lordship, by written letter,
Why?
Lordship. Letter, Lordship.
Who sends letters nowadays?
From the office of the advocate.
Who sends letters?
From the staff
You
down
still
below.
send letters to your relatives?
No, Lordship.
Then-
From the office they used to send, Lordship.
Same, apart from letter, you should also.
I'll do
You
this.
know,
I'll do.
you should ask for the email addresses of these
Yes,
officers
Lordship.
also. SE Sheikh submits that the instructions have been received, the same and are incomplete. He prays for further 2 weeks' time to file affidavit. Yes.
Like, my lord.
13.
May please, Lordship.
Yes.
So I am appearing for Reserve Bank of India today by filing to collector. We will be granted 3 weeks time to file the affidavit.
And this is a fresh matter.
Yes, my lord.
One, you have a number?
Respondent 1.
The phone number 1.
Respondent number 4.
What's the matter about?
It's regarding the petitioner has made an RGGS transaction.
Frozen account for
Yes, please.
cyber fraud.
Cyber fraud.
So, your phone number 1.
My lord.
Number 2. Number 3.
Number 4.
3 and 4 are same branch. You are paying. What about the Axis Bank Laban branch? Same bank.
A same bank, the branch is different. I have no instruction for in respect to us.
Your name?
PJ Das. I
Have you filed affidavit?
Yeah, today I'll file.
Yes. Ms. PC Das has entered appearance on behalf of respondent number 1.
He has a recovery.
Sorry. And your phone number 4. He prays for how much time?
3 weeks time.
You can file affidavit. Mr. PGS for number 4. Also similar prayers.
I'll file today.
A similar prayer. Mr. PGS for number 4 submits that on behalf of the the affidavit on behalf of said respondent do find the court today. So there's no appearance on behalf of respondent number 3. counsel for four, as the learned counsel for as the matter concerns the same bank 3 and 4, he is direct to obtain instructions. Yes, this sort of 4 weeks. 3 weeks or 4 weeks?
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Obliged.
Second call, item number 2, supplementary list.
Yes, Mr. Hava.
Yes, Your Honor.
I will
Yes,
see
Your
instructions.
Lordship, as per your instruction, I had informed my client and
They've submitted their application, man, on the new
Yes.
format on 25th of January.
So will be processed then.
Your Lordship, however, in spite of completing all the formalities,
Let's see that. Yeah. Where's the date showing that you submitted this on?
On the first page, on the top, 25th
25
January.
one. Yes.
now, Lordship, after completing all the formalities also, Lordship, they are still insisting on giving a court order regarding sole guardianship. Now, Lordship, the petitioner is the natural guardian, and as per Annexure C,
Let's just see. Oh, the affidavit.
Not written file, man.
My Lordship, this is Annexure C regarding the declaration by the applicant's parents for issue of passport to minor when one parent has not given consent. My Lordship, there are two annexures, Annexure C and D. Now, Lordship, in the year 2016, Your Lordship, some amendments were made to the Passport Rules 1980, and several annexures were deleted, and Annexure C and D were maintained, Your Lordship.
No, see, the thing is that as per the message, they said that you file it in the format and they'll process it.
Yes.
Now it's been filed on 25th, correct?
Yes.
This message you receive when, Dr. Mosika? When this communication is dated when?
It's no date here.
This communication you put for the court. This 23rd.
It's 23rd January.
So it means they must have received it by now. They should process it.
It appears there's a different dimension to all this, my lord. There's some guardianship dispute because here what happened, my lord, it appears the petitioner earlier was married to private respondent, my lord. That they divorced and now she's remarried and she's gone there. But that examined in my humble submission, this honorable court cannot go into that. But the writ petition was framed only that it has not been processed by the embassy, my lord, or the consulate.
No, no. See, the thing is, let's see the prayer. Who's the petitioner?
The
mother, the
petitioner is the mother.
My lord, will see that at para 4, my lord, that the petitioner is married to Sri Devasis Sinha of Guwahati. And then it says, my lord, para 7,
yes.
Recently the petitioner had remarried to one Arvind Kumar Yadav.
Now that is altogether a different angle, but whether this honorable court can go into that aspect now.
Your Lordship, in fact, in
and there is nothing from the embassy or
Annexure
consulate saying that,
6 and Annexure 7 are the judgment and order and decree passed in the divorce suit number 40 of 2022. Your Lordship, it's at page 25, Annexure 6, Your Lordship, which is the judgment and order passed in the divorce suit. And Annexure 7, Your Lordship, is the...
What's the requirement? Both parents have to give their
No, Your
consent.
Lordship. No, Your Lordship.
Now show that. Where is that? Is that required?
There is no rejection. There is no query raised also till now, my lord. He is only submitted in 25th.
What is the where is the query they've asked? Since you've resubmitted?
Yes, Your Lordship.
So where's the you think they have where is that in the petition they've raised this query that you have not the one you need order of the court? Where's that?
They have verbally told us, Your Lordship.
See, Mr. Thava, the thing is that if you want the court, there's a court of record. We just go
I
and deal the pleas for this court. Now the last what happened, from what I can understand, is your prayer they're not processing it, right?
Yes.
Now the respondents have produced a email correspondence showing that once you file, you process. Now you file on 25th. Now after 25th, what has happened? That's important. We're not going to go back. We're not going to go back to pre-25th. Now after applications on 25th, what has happened? Has been rejected?
No, Your Lordship. It is in the process, but they have informed
after 25th.
Yes.
Informed that
we need a court order regarding
where that has to be tangible.
Yes, Your Lordship, but they have not given in writing. They have just verbally told us.
That's not possible. Everything is through e-communication nowadays, my lord.
No, Your Lordship.
How can this court, suppose you come and say that someone's, can we see right been violated without any tangible thing in front of us? How do you expect us to interfere or to give you any relief? You understand you have come to court, you need relief, but at least you should help the court, assist the court when providing materials to show that, which way we can give relief.
Lordship.
You mail them back, you ask about the status of your benefit application, but after 1 week. Otherwise,
Lordship, if I may,
today has submitted that the writ petitioner, correct, or the who's this? Brianna Karnami.
She is the attorney holder, Your Lordship. Brianna is the minor daughter.
Submitted that the renewal for passport of the minor has since been submitted on 25th
January
2026. However, he submitted that there have been certain queries with regard to the application. How he submitted the application, but has not been able to produce any materials to substantiate the same. That counts allowed 1 week to obtain further instructions. Just after 1 week, yes. To obtain such what has happened, otherwise you can't just go in the air. Then you can.
Lordship, that is the problem because
that's the problem. You get something, you mail back to them, see what's happened to the application.
Lordship, there's a judgment.
Judgment won't help now. Please show something that shows that there's a roadblock in the application. That's all. If applying 25th, now we're only on 29th. It's only 4 days. You find what's happened to the process. Okay. Yes.
So they might be directed to give us in written, Your Lordship.
After 1 week, you come back. Yes. Okay. You mail them. Court won't be a post office for you.
Hearing,
Yes.
item 14.
Highly obliged.
This is my lord case. I'm for the university, my lord. Whether a writ petitioner, my lord, claiming for regularization in group D post. But since it has been abolished, my lord, we are not in a position to do it, and we have written to UGC.
Ms. Langstey, correct?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, we've come with the compliance from UGC, and they've clearly stated that we only have the power to extend the scheme. Because we can.
So you're repeating what he said last time.
No, Your Lordship.
Where's affidavit?
Your Lordship, we have no further affidavits. We only
Where's
have,
affidavit?
pardon, Your Lordship?
You'll find affidavit.
Your Lordship, we have already filed it on the 26/7/24.
No, after this order dated 2/12.
No, Your Lordship, we did not receive the affidavit from the UGC, Your Lordship, but they only give us the compliance on.
Where's the instructions you received? After this order dated 2/12.
Your Lordship, they only give me it by mail, and they just.
Where's the mail?
Your Lordship, they didn't send it to me today itself. I couldn't print it out, Your Lordship. Apologies, Your Lordship.
See para 6 of the order.
Yes, Your
Not
Lordship.
order. Have you communicated this order to them?
Yes, Your Lordship, I have.
What did he say in the mail?
Your Lordship, they have clearly stated that
If you know the matters come today, you should have printed out that mail.
apologies, Your Lordship. Your Lordship.
What will Mr. send?
So our position is this, my lord, we cannot create post. If it is abolished, my lord, it's not in the hand of the university, your lord.
Extension of the scheme not going to help them also.
Not. That is the thing.
The scheme has to be implemented as a whole, Lordship, not in part. Partly they have implemented. Then the second part comes. They try to dilute the scheme by issuing notification, and at the same time, it is an attempt to supersede the scheme. They have to. They have.
If the hands are tied, how do you say this? They dilute the scheme.
The scheme
you have
still
to work within whatever the regime is going. Now, if they abolish group D posts,
the scheme still holds good.
We cannot revise, my lord. Only rely. If the UGC say go ahead, we'll do it, my lord. No problem. But if the UGC say no, it is up to the university. That is wrong, my lord. Because every post, my lord, in the university, teaching, non-teaching, these are the creation of the UGC, your lordship. We cannot create a post. We cannot sanction a post. Budgetary allocation come from the central government, your lordship, for every post. We do not generate revenue.
Your Lordship, if I may, Your Lordship, as per our clarifications, even though we accept the fact that our extension and our power lies only to the extension, but the main power, the only acceptance would have to come from the government if they relax the post, because even their qualification is not even 10 pass. And since Group D has been abolished and there's only Group C, we do not have the power to override the statutory rules. And that would only have to come from the government if they would relax.
how many petitions are here? Under
9.
past 10?
9.
All of them?
No. Only one is graduate, my lordship.
All these things, my lord. How we negotiate all those things, my lord? We
They cannot override the scheme, my lord.
But now the new prescription is there. What are you going to do? You show your mail. We'll post it on Monday.
Not Monday. Monday we have the other. Lord, you can post it on Tuesday.
Monday, what do you have?
We have a pattern matter.
Here?
Yes.
Which matter is that?
That's a polytechnic matter. Lord, you can post it on Tuesday.
Why is a small matter this one? Okay, Tuesday.
Tuesday.
MSS Langstey today has submitted that she has obtained instructions which she may be allowed to produce on Tuesday. Tuesday is the
third.
Yes. Just according. All our hearings get adjourned like this. I think we have to introduce a new work culture among the lawyers in Shillong. It looks very. That at least you can't have a hearing list of 10-15 matters all adjourned, and at least something introspection is necessary. And if the seniors don't want to argue, at least the juniors should make an attempt. It's very unfortunate. And this culture is getting worse, I see. You don't want no one to hearings after 2 o'clock, and the hearings are adjourned en bloc in the morning. We don't want any, adverse reaction from the courts that will refuse adjournments. It can't be like this.
Obligation.